Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna be showing you how to put together the courtesy door light inside model. Just the logos, different logos in this light, hologram logos, I guess, whatever you call it. It takes 3 AAA batteries. As you see right here, easy. There's no wiring, no nothing. And the burn, there's a thing for sensor. That's a magnet right here that you put on your next to your seat, and this thing goes on this and it stops the light from shining. It's right now nighttime, but as you can see, this is the Batman. So I'm going to show you guys how you install this. Alright, easy. Take that 3M they give you, it comes out like that. Take it, you put it on, doesn't matter which side of the magnet, you put it like this, easy. And you just not the hard part, I guess, only difficult part is just trying to align this thing magnet to your door, and you make sure you are doing it right. Alright, so you go like this, and you just, I already did this, I'm just gonna show you right here. You place it right here. You just gotta figure out where the magnet needs to go, because the best way to find this out is you turn the light on, you put it right here on top of it like this, grab the light here, has to be on the thing, so you see it goes off, and when the door closes it's gonna go off. It is, and you just gotta make sure. The best way to do this is you put this right here and you close your door. You sit in the car, close your door. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna sit in the car, close the door to show you where it exactly needs to go, and then you just put this part right here. Just take one side off, put it on the light, make sure it's on there good, and you just leave this part and just make sure where it goes, right? So when you close the door, you'll know where it's going. Alright, I'm gonna do that right now. Door opens, you see the light, so you just place it right there. And on some cars it's hard, especially on this Escalade, because the door panels are curved, so this little piece is gonna be hanging right here. It's okay, because this tape is pretty good and it's gonna hold this down. See this? As you can see, it's on. You keep the button on, and if you want to save battery life, you can, during daytime you can turn this button off, so you don't have to worry about, you know, wasting light. But at nighttime, keep the button on. When the door closes, see that? So this is how easy it is. You just gotta get the right area for your door, because some cars are small, bigger, so just gotta make sure. And I have like WeatherTech mats, so I couldn't really put it over here because of the mats, so I just found the furthest place. So this way you don't want to put it over here either, because once you get in, get out, you're gonna kick this magnet off. So you want to put it somewhere where the magnets, you know, not getting stepped on or anything like that. So this is how you do it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Any comments, let me know, and have a good day.